Hey guys, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion for Our World, where where we explore the latest trends in fashion and style. Today's video is all about women's footwear for 2024. Specifically, we shall dive into stiletto high heels, moles, and sandals. Shoes are not just accessories, they are a statement and extension of your personality and the foundation of a great outfit. This year, we are seeing a fascinating mix of bold creativity and timeless elegance in shoe design, from innovative heel shapes to eco-friendly materials. There's something for everyone. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back and join me as we explore the hottest shoe trends for 2024, how to style them, and tips to care for your collection. Let's step into it. Let's start with the queen of all shoes, stiletto high heel moles. These timeless classics are getting a modern makeover in 2024. Here's what trendings: bold colors and patterns. Say goodbye to plain black stilettos and hello to vibrant shades like fuchsia, electric blue, and emerald green. Animal prints, geometric designs, and umbra effect are also in. Innovative heels. Designers are experimenting with sculptural and asymmetrical heel shapes. Think heels that look like art pieces, curved designs, metallic finishes, and even crystal studded heels. Mixed materials, leather combined with transparent PVC or stone with metallic accents, creates a unique and luxurious look. How to style stilettos for an evening event? Pair metallic stilettos with a sleek cocktail dress. For work, nude or pastel stilettos work perfectly with tailored trousers or pencil skirt. And a pop of color to casual outfits by pairing bold stilettos with jeans and a crisp white short. Pro tip: walking in stilettos can be challenging, especially if you are new to them. Practice on a carpeted surface, keep your posture straight, and invest in cushion inserts to reduce foot fatigue. Next, let's talk about moles, the versatile shoe that are making waves this year. Moles are known for their ease of wear, and 2024 designs take them to the next level. Trading designs, square toe moles. This easy designs is back and better than ever. Look for moles with intricate stars or bold embellishments. Black heels. Comfort is key, and black heeled moles provide the perfect balance of height and support. Texture fabrics, suede, velvet, and woven materials add a rich texture to your footwear collection. How to style moles for a casual day out? Pair flat moles with cropped jeans and a flowy blouse. For formal occasions, heeled moles in metallic tones are embellished. Design looks stunning with dresses or tailored jumpsuit. Add a boho touch by styling woven moles with maxi dresses and floral prints. Pro tip: moles are great transitional shoes for spring and fall. Keep your toenails well groomed to complete the polished look. Sandals are the ultimate go-to shoes for comfort and style, and the 2024 designs are anything but boring. Top trend Top trends in sandals, strappy styles, thin delicate straps are dominating the sandal scene. Look for multi-strap designs in bold colors of metallic finishes. Chunky soles, platform sandals and platforms are perfect for adding height without compromising on comfort. Eco-friendly materials, sandals Sustainable fashion is a big trend this year. Sandals made from recycled materials, vegan leather, or natural fibers, neutral fibers are gaining popularity. How to style sandals? For a beachy whip, pair strappy sandals with a flowy maxi dress or short and a tank top. Platform sandals look great with legged trousers or aligned skirts. For a night out, opt for heeled sandals with shimmering details and pair them with a little black dress. Pro tip: always ensure your sandals fit well. Straps that are too tight and causes discomfort, while loose straps may lead to blisters. 2024 is not just about individual styles, it's about blending trends to create unique looks. Here are some exciting emerging trends. Spectral heels, heels shaped like shapers, spirals, or abstract art pieces are taking center stage. Transparent elements, shoes with clear straps, heels are eccentric or futuristic minimalist whip. Jewelry inspired designs, shoe adorned with pearls, rhinestones, and chain details are perfect for special occasions. These trends allow you to experiment and express your personality through your footwear. To keep your shoes looking their best, proper care is essential. Here are some tips. Cleaning: use a damp cloth for leather shoes or suede brush for suede and milled soap for our synthetic materials. Storage: store your shoes in a cool, dry place. Use shoes trays to maintain their shape and keep them in dust bags to prevent scortage. Protection: use waterproof sprays for leather and suede to protect against moisture. Repairs: do not hesitate to take your shoes to a cobbler for sole repairs, heels replacement, or journal upkeep. Taking good care of your shoes not only extended their lifespan but also ensure they stay comfortable and stylish. That was up today's deep dive into the top shoe trends for 2024, for stunning stilettos to versatile moles and effortlessly chic sandals. These there's something for every style and occasions. While trend are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Fashion Forward for more fashion inspiration and styling tips. Stay tuned for our next video where we shall discuss the best handbags to pair with these gorgeous shoes. Thank you for watching, and remember your style begins with your shoes. Until next time, stay fashionable and keep stepping forward in style, inshallah.